In this video, I'll show you how you can export 4K video in Davinci Resolve. This is fairly easy, so follow along and we'll get it sorted. So what you need to do is first import your clips. So I've actually recorded a 4K clip on my DJI Osmo. So if I just drag it on to the timeline, it's a 4K clip of Bangkok. Now what we're going to do, we're going to export this video. Now obviously you would make all the edits necessary to your video and then go to File and go to Project Settings. And what I would do is just make sure your timeline resolution is on 3840 by 2160, and that is going to be 4K resolution, and you should see it update here as well. Just make sure that that is set and then click Save. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and export it. So go down to the bottom right hand corner to this rocket icon, click on that, and then go to Custom Export. Now what I would do is you can change the format to whatever suits you. I'm going to choose MP4. And I'm going to make the codec H.264. This is going to be the best codec for online video, so choose that. Then regarding the resolution, make sure it's on 3840 by 2160, and that's going to be obviously 4K. It should match your project settings, and then everything else is up to you. You can then add it to the render queue. Obviously you need to change the name. So mine is currently called Untitled, and it's going to the downloads. Configure those, then click Add to Render Queue, and I'm just going to replace an already existing file. Then click Render All, and it will then render in 4K. Now if we open up this file, it should now be in 4K. So if we go to Properties, Details, you can see it's now in 3840 by 2160 dimensions, which is 4K. So I hope that helped you out.